Well, good morning and welcome to Ogwen Valley. It's cold, it's wet, and it's actually hailstoning. I'm just getting a little bit of cover by this wall because the wind is horrendous. But anyway, welcome. So welcome, again I'm taking shelter. I've got a windsock on the microphone but I don't think it's really working that well, so I hope you can hear me okay. So what's the agenda for today? Well, there really isn't one, and I was wondering what to do on this video, and I guess I was thinking a little bit too hard of what I should be doing today. But there's one reason why I've come out today, and that one reason is just to get away from it all. The last couple of weeks in work have been absolutely horrendous. There's been lack of management cover, I've been covering different shifts, I've been doing days, nights, you name it, and it's been extremely busy. So to be out here today, yeah, it's truly welcoming. So the aim of today is just to come out, get some air, get a decent walk and get some decent images, and hopefully decent video as well. It's so wild today. I just don't care. It's glorious. It's glorious being out in these weather conditions and this beautiful scenery. Wow. All of yesterday I was sat at my desk for, well, best part of 12 hours just thinking about today and just wanting to soak it all in, and this is purely the reason why I'm here today. Yes, I'm going to do a video. Yes, I'm going to enjoy editing it and processing the images and taking the photography, but it's more about just coming out and sort of pressing reset. And I think that's what today's all about. It's about pressing reset and sort of getting everything in my mind in the right sort of order, and coming out to a location like this really helps me just relax, enjoy it, and sort of appreciate actually what I've got. And I think for me personally, this is one of my issues. I never really have time to sort of sit back and actually appreciate what I've got. Well, coming out here today will help. It will certainly help. And I think tonight when I get home, sit in front of the television and relax and sort of sit and have my tea with Sarah, I'll be thinking about today and yeah, what joy it's actually brought me. Hopefully. So because this wind's so gusty, I'm probably going to be limited of what I can actually talk to the camera. I'll try my best and I'll see what I can get, but I'm going to proceed now further up the path. Last time I was here, which was about 3 or 4 years ago, 4 years ago actually, I came here and I didn't actually venture too far up, but I believe there's a waterfall. It's a bit of an iconic shot, so that's the main thing I'm going to look at today, but then take a few other images along the way and yeah, just enjoy, just relax and sort of reset. So yeah, head up the path, head to the next waterfall, and yeah, just see what I've got and take some images. So yeah, come along with me. So I've just stopped for a bit of a breather. It's a bit of a slog coming up this slope, and the ground is completely sodden. It's this marshland all the way up, and my boots have been sinking into it. Yeah, it's made it sort of 10 times harder, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm out in the countryside, enjoying this beautiful scenery and just relaxing and just taking it all in. Can't help but to lift your spirits when you've got that as your backdrop. It's just phenomenal. So I've gone a little bit higher now. I've just gone over this wall, and I'm using this wall as one of my images. It's an image where the wall sort of leads into the Ogwen Valley. You've got Tiffin on the left-hand side, so I'm managing to get it all in the image with the 14 to 24 on the front of the camera. So hopefully this image turns out okay. But as I've been walking up here, it's been tough going. I mean, this marshland. I've got wet socks now. It's a difficult climb. And obviously with all the gear, with you guys coming along with me as well, it makes it that little bit more harder to climb up. I've just seen a hiker walk through with his walking sticks and just bombarding up the hill. Yeah, it's a slightly different story when you've got the D850 and 3 lenses and yeah, you name it, I've got it. But anyway, it's just been so pleasurable walking up here. Hard work, but pleasurable. And stopping off and taking some images as well. It's just, you just can't beat it. This is better than any therapy at all. Like I say, the last couple of weeks have been horrendous in work. Got through it. I'd say it's been horrendous. It's been enjoyable as well. It's been a lot of challenges, but we've got through it. And I think we're through the other side of it now. But yeah, it's just glorious to, yesterday, sitting at work just wanting to get out here and just sort of thinking what I was going to do today in the back of my mind whilst everything else is going on, everyone else is running around ragged. No, it's just nice to know that today I was going to be here. I'm now here, I'm now soaking it in, and boy, it is better than I possibly imagined. Amazing. So I've just had to take cover again. The weather started to turn. It's really started to get really quite grotty again. So I think what I'm going to do is possibly finish my side of the video from here. I'm going to carry on a little bit further up. There's a lake, so I'm going to head up there, take a few images from around there, get some B-roll. But I think for me talking to the camera, it's probably I'll do my outro from here. But stick around. There'll be a few more images at the end. There'll be a bit of B-roll, that sort of thing. But yeah, if you've managed to take something away from this video, I hope you have. And it doesn't matter what we're going through. Obviously, we're all going through our own personal battles, and you know, some worse than others, and but to us they're all personal. And I think coming out today, it's sort of opened my eyes that yes, you need these little micro breaks for those who can, and for those who can get away. You need to be able to get out and just sort of reset your mind. And that's the whole reason why I took up photography in the first place, was to get out to locations like this, enjoy your locations, and just photograph and just lose myself in the scenery, and just lose myself in the mood and the atmosphere of the place. And this is what I've done today, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I'll go home tonight like a fresh new person, hopefully. So I'm going to do the outro from here now. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. It'd be great to have you on board of the channel. And leave a comment, let me know which your favourite image, and where you've actually been to this location and what you thought of it. So from the Ogwen Valley, stick around, a few more images, a little bit of B-roll, but I'll say bye-bye for now. Take care, all the best, bye-bye.